and it is Thursday, October 27th, 2016, about 11:44 p.m. here on the East Coast of the United States. Coming at you from Charlotte, North Carolina. I am meteorologist Mike Griffith here for Eastern Weather, and we just want to take a quick look into the long range. This isn't going to be a real detailed discussion, but just a general overall statements of what we think is going to happen here. Warm and dry for Halloween is the deal here. But how does November look after that? Will there be a pattern flip or won't they? Or will it just remain above average temperatures? But I do see something coming that's going to be an extreme flip of the pattern once we head into November there. As always, you can find this on Facebook at facebook.com/Eastern Weather Consulting. This is the Facebook page right here. This is the URL for that. And on the online, on the web at easternxconsulting.com, you can just search for Eastern Weather Consulting in the search bar at the top of your Facebook there. Okay, so let's look at our first model image here on GFS. This is the GFS around Halloween. Mainly dry here in the entire eastern part of the country. Not a whole lot going on as far as any type of precipitation or big organized systems or big storms or anything like that. High pressure and control. You can see that up here in this corner. No real energy, and it looks just like it's going to be a pretty decent day out there for Halloween. So trick-or-treating is going to be decent here across the eastern half of the United States, except maybe up in Maine where you're going to have some snow showers. So the whole warm thing doesn't hold for everybody. It doesn't hold for New England. They've been getting pounded with systems coming out of Canada like this, like early Alberta Clippers, so they're going to continue to get pummeled with these storms. So then just moving along quickly here into the future, into November 4th, GEFS ensembles are showing a big ridge over the central part of the United States that would be a blowtorch for us here in the eastern part of the U.S., and especially for the plains. This is just kind of a crazy warm pattern here as we head into the 4th. These are just thickness profiles. You can ignore these. This is the warm and cold anomalies. What you don't want is a trough here of low pressure in early November, which will drive temperatures here in the U.S. up. But this is about to change here, because look at the next ensemble member, an ensemble forecast average, as we go into the 10th of November. Here's the flip right here as we start to get some high latitude blocking in place. This is really what you want if you love snow. I'll tell you what, and it looks like this whole eastern United States here could be in a big trough, and a lot of cold air spilling down in from the North Pole. Polar vortex would be displaced, and it would be somewhere, and it's throwing a lot of cold air for an ensemble this far in the future to be giving this type of signal would just mean, like the winter is coming early this year for us. There's no doubt about that. But with this high latitude blocking in place, especially if this block tends to go more toward Greenland here, then it's just going to be very early start to winter. It won't even be winter time yet when it starts to already feel like winter and seem like winter outside, because I'm thinking it certainly will be here as we head into the middle of November, that once we see that pattern flip. So don't let the warmth fool you. Enjoy it through Halloween, early November, but then quickly things come crashing down in a hurry. And that's where we stand right now for long-range outlook with temperatures. And, of course, there's always storms that come with these troughs of low pressure in the East Coast, too. So we're going to have to watch out for some nor'easters this fall as well. Anything that comes with an early bad winter. And hope everybody's getting ready with preparing for it. Thanks a lot for watching Eastern Weather's long-range outlook. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want more weather videos. And definitely visit our Facebook page, facebook.com/Eastern Weather Consulting, all one word. Have a great time, everybody. Enjoy your weekends.